We need 2 audience volunteers. Yes. One more audience volunteer. You know, we have a rule that we like to pull up the person who's pointing at everybody.
Stand right over here.
Yes.
All right, guys. Come on over here.
Let's give it up. The transforming.
Jack, you told me to meet you out there. Jack!
Here I am, Kate Winslet. I'm not sure what your character's name was.
Oh, Jack! Rose!
Here I am, Rose. Listen, Rose. I wrote you a song on my guitar. Let me play it for you.
I love when you strum the guitar.
Hold on, I gotta put the strings on it. Okay. Now I'll play you a beautiful sonnet on my guitar. I forgot how to play it already. My love is so distracting. Forget this guitar. I'm gonna break it to show how much I don't need material things. Smash! All right.
That was so Peter Townsend.
That was so epic.
I play the drums. I'll keep a nice beat going. You can do like a little.
Well, you have a drum set right here on the boat.
I just dropped him. Sorry.
Oh no!
Dropped someone else. Sorry. Alright, here we go.
Oh, you're so hot.
It's playing itself. I need to actually play the drum now. Oh, it's actually an old 50s TV show.
That's amazing.
Yeah, Green Acres.
What was that noise? I think I heard something out in the distance.
There's ice in the water. Oh,
big ice cube.
Sorry.
Rose, the ice cube is coming for us.
Oh, it's turning into a robot. It's transforming.
Listen to it transform.
Oh, I think that's the bill.
Oh. All right, now we'll listen to it transform.
It broke.
The sounds of silence.
Oh, the waves! They're crashing into us! Waves! I saw this on History Channel.
Quick!
Wrong wave!
We gotta go. We gotta warn everybody.
Rob, throw the puppy overboard for its own.
Not my puppy. He was a laughing dog. Oh, good. Listen, we gotta warn everybody. I'll sound the alarm.
Okay. It's sounding itself!
It's gotta find him. It's out. I don't know what to tell you.
Oh, go be the king of the world or something!
Okay, listen everybody, stay calm. The crowd is rioting.
I'm so scared, Jack!
That was not the time.
I'm gonna float on you until you die!
That was not the time, Rose.
It's gonna be the sequel!
There's water bursting through the wall.